Okay, I'm gonna take off the second it's the VVT timing is what it's called. So let me get in here and take it off. It's also 10 millimeter. Okay. Now let me change that around. Okay. Let me get a smaller ratchet, 10 millimeter. I was using my 3/8, now I'm using my 1/4. It's a little bit smaller, so. I think it's 10 millimeter, right? It's 10? Yeah, okay. All right, let's get that on there. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was tightening it. That was tightening it. There we go. That's loosening it. That loosened it, rather. Okay, let me get it. So. Okay. That's not too long. Let me see. Can you see it? Let me see what the screw is, right? There we go. That screw wasn't too long. And it's not rounded, so that's a good thing. All right. Let's take this one out. All you gotta do is just twist this. It comes right out. I'm interested to see what this one looks like. There we go. Okay. All right. As you can see, I just pulled it out. So it looks like the VVT timing solenoid. So that's what it looks like. All right, I'm going to replace it too. Okay, let's get this area cleaned up right here. A little bit of oil came out when I put out the VVT timing. And then we will get ready to put it back in. I think I'm gonna put in the back one first, and then I'll put in the front one. But let me just get this area wiped down a little bit. So, but yeah, both of them look in pretty good condition, so I'm gonna keep both of them, drain them out, clean them up, and just put them in my box of my new ones that I got. So I may not use them, but I'll have them available if something was to go wrong with the new ones I'm putting on. So all right. Okay, DIYers, I just wanted to show you. Okay, so my old one I just pulled out is on the left. Totally different brand than the premium on the right. So the one I just pulled off on the left is actually longer, a little bit longer than the premium one I have on my right. So don't freak out about it. Could just be due to technology and efficiency that the newer one is a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to show you the difference as far as height. But like I said, when I researched it and for aftermarket part, it was compatible with the OEM part number for my Honda 2002. So I just wanted to share that with you, and don't freak out about it. It's actually, the one on the right's made a little bit different. It's got the one on the left, you can see there's only one in the middle that has a like a lining on it, a screen on it, and the newer one has 3 screens on it. So different brand, different, that's all it is, a different brand. So they do things differently. All right, just wanted to share that with you. Okay, DIYers, as you can see, my old VVT solenoid is on the left and my new one's on the right. So you can see with the old one right here, the gasket is broken, right? So it's good that I'm replacing it. I do, like I said, I have an extra gasket that I could have just put on there, because this one looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna keep it. And then the one on the right, as you can see, is brand new. What I like about both of the VVT solenoids that I ordered, they're already pre-oiled in the package. The package that they came in, they're already pre-oiled and it's oiled up real nice. So I just wanted to share with you. You can see the difference. Let me turn them around. They both have the shield on them, as you can see. So both of them have the shield. My new one came with the shield. Some of them don't come with the shield. So you want to make sure when you purchase, it comes with the shield. If not, you take the shield off the old one and put it on the new one. But they both came with the shield, so I don't have to replace the shield on the new one. But yeah, so learning as we go. Good close up, but that's the new one and that's the old one on the left. All right. All right. We are putting on the smaller VVT timing solenoid. We're going to put that one on too, that sensor. And then we'll screw it back in. So this is it. Like I said, it's already pre-oiled, which is great. So, all right, let's get that one back in there. And then we'll screw it back in. Let's see. Okay, let me find got the screw. Line it up. Take my gloves off. Be easier. All right, hold on. Let me see where that hole is. Or let me see where the screw is. Okay, it's on top, right? There, okay. So it's on top. All right. Screws on top. Let me do that with my hand. These gloves are getting in the way. So, okay. Wait, is that the right one? Hold on. I don't think that's the right one. What am I doing? No, that is the right one. Let's see, 1, 2. All right, let's put on the VVT timing. Okay. Let me see, that goes up there, right? Yeah. Okay, let me see where that screw is. Okay, let me see. See where that screw is. Hold on. Okay, where's that screw? Oh, the screw's down there. Let me see. Screw's right here. So the screw's right there. Okay. Thought it was up on top. It's right there. Okay. See, hold on. Okay, there we go. Screws down there. Okay, there it is. Get that nice and snug. So both solenoids are replaced. I feel good about it. I feel good about it. Okay, let me tighten it. Okay. Tighten her up. Beautiful. Yeah, that one goes there. That bolt sticks out. Interesting. It's not flush. Cool. There's a reason why it's not flush, though. Oh, well, damn. Be nice if I had that in there, huh? All right, let's try this again. Well, at least I got the screw in. I just didn't have it tied down. That's kind of funny. All right, let me make sure I get this right. Thought it was in, well, it's in the right. I just didn't have it in locked down. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, let's see. All right. All right, let's do it right now. Let's see. Right there. Make sure I'm in that. Okay, make sure I'm in that hole. Okay. Let's see. Let me do it with my other hand. Probably be better. Okay, let me make sure that's in. So I missed it last time. Okay, that's in now. You ain't going nowhere, homie. You ain't going nowhere, homeboy. Okay. There we go. All right. Let's tie it down. Let's lock it in. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Boom. All right. It's locked in. Not going anywhere. Okay. All right. Both solenoids are in. VVT solenoids. Both of them are in. Hopefully I got great video. And we will continue making progress. I think I'm going to wait till tomorrow. I'm going to do my, I got to get that crankshaft off. I've gotten everything else off. All my pulleys, my power steering pump, my alternator, my tensioner, my water pump. That damn crankshaft has been kicking my ass for the last couple weeks. So I think I got it loose. I'm going to try to remove it tomorrow. And I got access to my knock sensor and my starter, so I'll probably replace that tomorrow as well. And yeah, we just keep moving forward. Hopefully I'm going to be done within the next couple weeks. Then I'll start uploading my videos after I edit all of them to YouTube to show you my journey. All right, DIYers, I'll holla. Peace.